Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to fix Spotify playing random songs. So to start, we'll have to go first on my Spotify account, and then here we'll have to choose a song to play. For example, this Blackpink song. So as you can see here at the left bottom part of my screen, this shuffle play icon is color green. This indicates that this option is turned on. So to turn off the shuffle play, I will just have to tap on this, and when it turns white, it means that you have turned off the shuffle play. So now let's start playing a song. Then let's just click on the next icon and then click again on this next icon. So as you can see, the songs are not playing randomly. It starts with this first song, Flower, and then All Eyes on Me, and then the third one that I played is Shut Down. So as you can see, it's no longer playing randomly. So that's how you fix your Spotify playing random songs. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you all on our next video.